What's up, everybody? I've got this box behind me. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, right there. I'm going to grab that because that has some of my old Hot Wheels in it, and it's been up there for a long time, and this place is full of brown recluses, so there's no telling if there's one in the box, on the box, around the box. But the good thing is today is cold out here. So we are going to pull that box out, and let's go through and see what of my old Hot Wheels are in there. And they're well used, well worn, beat up really bad. So let's take a look. All right, first thing I got to do is reach out here and grab that thing. All right, well, let's take a few to look around this thing. See if there's any spiders on here. I don't see any there. So let's just dump these out. I make sure we're not going back in that box. So, hey, check out these rocks. All right, let's see what we've got. Oh, look at that. All right, let's dig these out, man. I got some I can make some cool stuff out of. Look, there's one that I repainted. Matchbox. And, remember this dude? Look, it's only got 3 wheels, smash top. Well, I was rough on Hot Wheels back in the day. Not sure what this one is, but I remember this from my early childhood. Check that out. Well, I ain't seen a lot of these in a long time. Look at that old dude we dug up out of the yard. We cleaned some of these up and give them a new lease on life. Look, man, they are beat up to no end. It's another one looks like it come out of the yard. Let's see. These are definitely the well-worn ones. Oh, man, that was always one of my favorites, the Greased Gremlin. I thought that was a cool casting. Here's another one, then. What cars, what type are these? I can't see anything. This one, I don't know when I got that one. Or that. Some of these are later. Definitely not the ones I had. This is one of the ones I had because I remember trying to paint it red. Like I said, I wasn't the easiest on my cars. Always pretty rough. But lost the top off that dude, painted him green again. My kids' paint aren't as good as some of the other people's good kid paint. Not sure. I think I got that one from somebody else. There you go. Red seat, red pipes. Poor old dude. Broke the back off of it. That's not a bad old kid played with, but crushed top. Let's see. Oh, look at this dude. So I remember I'd put rubber wheels off my, one of my slot cars on this dude back in the day. There you go. All silver. Well, terrible paint job. I was horrible on paint jobs, I'll tell you that. Looky there. Poor Monte Carlo stalker. Maybe I could straighten him out and make something out of him. Oh, crashed in the rear. How bad was that crash have to be? See what else I got. Oh, look, square body Chevy. I don't know how that one got in there. Oh, bless me. Look, roof gone. But it's a real rider. I mean, not the roof gone, but the windshield's gone. It's a real rider. It's not a bad old car. Here's some stuff to make some stuff out of this. There's another one of those. Funny car bottoms. Let's see what else we got. Oh, look. There's one I went to paint blue. Look, I thought I felt something on my finger. My finger started to itch. I thought I had a brown recluse. All right. This is off at Barracuda. Or as I call them, Baccarudas. There you go. Rescue. I remember that off the old truck that I had. Had a yellow cab. I don't know what the yellow cab said. There's the body off at Barracuda. The Hemi Holler Barracuda. That goes on that. One of my 31 doozies that I painted back in the day. Like I said, I wasn't a very good painter. Let's see, look. Top ripped off of that. I don't know why I ripped the tops off though. I was bad with some of my cars back when I was younger. I guess I was just destructive. There you go. We're gonna try to repaint that one back white. It's a bad white paint. Look at this. How terrible is that, huh? How bad is that? Anything else from my childhood? This stuff, most of this stuff is, oh, there we go. There we go. I know that one's from my childhood. Large charge from my childhood. Put that over here. And I always loved that Lincoln. Check that old Lincoln out. Pretty cool old dude. Let's see this. Oh wow, I see a speed burner in there, I think. Nope, that ain't a speed burner. I don't know what that is. There's one of the bodies to the funny cars right there. There's one I remember from back in the day. I guess this was an old trash truck or something. I don't know. Made that one. Man, I really can't see without my glasses. This is terrible. Oh, look. ATV. Another large charge, painted purple. But I think I can make some stuff out of these. Oh, look. It's another old doozy. I don't know why I did the stuff I did. It's terrible. Terrible stuff. But we can make some stuff out of these, I think. Make some mods. Yep, good to get that old box out, and then I'll get all this stuff separated out. Let's see. Neither of these have anything. Oh, this rock's got something in it. That must have been what was in these. So that other one, my guess, would have probably had that in there. If it fit, yep. All right. Oh, look, a little military Jeep. Guess I had that one back when I was a kid. I don't know, it's tore up enough. All right. Well, that's that box. Well-used Hot Wheels. That one right there just hurts my soul.